Hi friends, welcome back to Sweetie Sisters Multi-Talented YouTube channel. Today I am showing this question paper of class 9 English literature or language. So let's start now. Kendra Vidyalaya Valte Vishakhapatnam season ending examination 2020 and 2021 year. Class was ninth English language and literature. Time was given for 3 hours and maximum marks is 80 marks. And some general instructions also given in the question paper. And now for part A it carries 40 marks and for part B carries 40 marks. In part A we are getting reading for 20 marks. Here passage was given. Please take screenshot. For that passage, there was given 12 questions. We have to write any 10 of them. Here, multiple choice questions are given. Had to choose any one answer which was right answer, correct answer. And in second question, read the passage given well. Here also passage was given. Hansen passages, it's all are. And here you can see a setful was given. That was wrong word. You had to write fretful. Wrong typing was done here. Please take care of that. And this picture also for second para only. And these are the questions. Please take screenshot or download the video. And they are the third question. This is also passage question. This is seen passage, not unseen. Or for that we can write another also. Two options was given. You have to write any one of them. Please take screenshot or download the video. For offline revision you can do see or this. And in fourth question we are getting extract. This was seen extract from our textbook only. This is. And here options also. Here also options given. And when coming to fifth question here, paragraph filling questions, we have to suitable answer we should give. Here some options also given for here. This para was from about Sudha Chandran. And here some spelling mistake was given, appreciated, but it is turned. And sixth question is comic strip was given here. You can see 4 comics are given. Had to write and choose the answer and had to fill it. So that's all for part A. And coming to part B also carries 40 marks. Had to construct a paragraph, first 8th question, and in B we had the option is given or, means we can write any one of them for 8th question. For B, diary writing for COVID-19, and we had to construct a story for 9th question, which was hint is given. Or we can write this construct a story about our own words, which lines were given here. And these all are question and answers. We have to answer them, which carries 2 marks. And 3 marks questions. And we are going to 5 marks questions. What are these? In 5 marks question also we can write any one of them, which was given A and B option. And 13th question also had to write 100 to 120 words limit given. It's also 5 marks question, which carries 5 marks. Option A and B. In these two we can write any one of them only. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment below. For the other notification, new video notifications, click on the bell icon and click all to get all notifications of my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.